today.
Okay, kids.
Christmas.
You guys can come down.
Kids, you can come down.
You just missed Santa. He just walked out the door.
Come on, kids.
Oh,
I don't think there's anything for you, Daniel.
I was hoping they'd all peer around
He
that
said,
corner.
I don't know if Daniel was a good boy or not.
I tell you, Santa was just here. You just missed him.
Wow. Well, we have
was
some
running late this
wonderful
morning?
gifts
Yeah.
for everybody, and you guys have some gifts to give.
Can I say one thing, kids?
Can you listen,
Remember,
Mommy?
Christmas is Jesus' birthday, and the wise men brought him gifts, right? And you guys will get gifts, and we are
And you can
giving
turn that
gifts
light
to
on.
all of our loved ones. And the whole point is to remember, to think about with love the person who gave it to you. Okay?
Wow, that's good after 5 years, this thing in the closet.
Okay, you got a few good ones in there.
Failure.
Your turn.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna teach you how to daredevils. Okay? They're awesome. They're awesome. You gotta buy them. Go to eBay.com. I'm sure you'll find a lot there. Okay? So, start off. The first exercise we can do is by getting the 2 black sticks and holding the rod. Okay? And you can go like that. That's one exercise, okay? So, to look it over, you go like this. 1 second, because, leave it alone. I don't want them to see my face. So you go like that, okay? Second exercise. Throw it up in the air. Right? Throw it up in the air. Throw it up in the air. Oh, 180. See? Easy. Just, kind of flip it, and flip it, and flip it, and flip ABC 180. Okay? Now, next step, try to do a 360. Okay? So, go start off like that. You can start off like that. Okay? So that's basically, you know, just a trick and everything. Some tricks.
I know.
Taxed you wrong one afternoon.
You know, it's just some tricks, some cool tricks. See, in order for me to think I'm real good, I think as myself as a professional as I am. So,
It may just take a long time.
so, you know, just continue. I mean, practice makes perfect, right? So, go like that. I mean, it's real easy. You can draw it up in the air and go, pa, pa. Throw it up in the air. Just little simple things, or you can have fun with. You know. So that's me and my devil rods. Okay? My devil sticks. So whatever these are called. You gotta get this. This is so fun. Go to ebay.com. Please subscribe
Alright, no ham.
and link. Thank you very much. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to do this, whatever it's called. Okay? I'm a professional. Okay? So I go. Okay? So I'll go like that, like that. And if you are a beginner, okay, you have to do this exercise in order to become a professional like me, okay? So you got it. Okay? So that's exercise number 1. That will help you a lot in doing devil sticks, if that's what these are called. Okay, so you can start off by going like this, or you go like that. Okay, so that's really easy to do. So, next exercise, wanna, flip. You wanna, okay, you wanna put the stick on, like, okay, this is what you want to do. You want to throw this big stick here, the red one, okay? So you throw it up in there, grab the other stick, okay? Here you go. You try to flip it around and everything. I messed up there, but you know. Okay? You can do a flip. You can do a 180, or you can do a 360. You can do all types of things. You can do it with one. Okay? So you get the point, right? Another exercise is that you can go like that. You like kind of spin it around a little. There you go. You can go like this and like that.
Robert, I think you finish your work.
And like that. Okay?